Yeah, now it's recording. Hi. And you guys are my first vlog.
The first vlog.
Yeah.
How did we get so lucky? Oh my gosh.
I told my mom, I was like, I think I can do my wedding video on this, and she's.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Oh, it can zoom in.
It's my Metro 16? Oh no, that's your drive. I forgot I also have another tailor. So I have Miss Lee in Georgetown, then I got another dress done. For high school! Look at it! I know. Where's Katie? We're coming out.
Hanging out at the crib.
I thought she was gonna come.
She was, but then this thing, I totally forgot I agreed to. I hope
in Charleston for a little bit, but I think he's back. Wow, that's crazy.
Look, I can hit the zoom.
He was so good.
That's cute.
Oh God.
Oh my fuck. She's so cute. Hello, welcome to my vlog. Today I am in Fredericksburg. We're gonna go get some chai. We're gonna go get some vibes. Try not to give Jillian cancer. Jillian has gotten her endocrine disruptor almost free sunscreen.
And King Bradley has a
huge muscles. His name is Muscles. I want to get huge muscles too, but I'm not willing to do the work. So I'm just not willing to. And then look, I can record, and you can see yourself while I record.
Why are you?
It's home videos, baby. This is my shit. This is in my blood. My dad used to do this all the time. I like the tats. My favorite is the Kermit.
Mom's artwork.
Oh, really? Cool. It's cool she designed your tat. So yeah, you know, it's just nice.
Why are you?
Oh, it's kind of hot in here. It's part of my vlog. Present. The present's a little out of sorts. At first I was gonna mail it, so that's why I stuffed stuff in there. There is a straw too, but I stuffed stuff in there so it wouldn't break. Ah! Fuzzy sock. Booty go. All I wanna do. Just more socks. I bought everyone matching socks, but I didn't realize how many I had bought. Because I thought I bought 6 pairs of socks, and I actually bought 6 pairs of 3 pairs of socks. So I had hella socks, but they're really comfy. And then that's wrapped. Oh yeah, you gotta read the card.
I already know what this is. I already know the answer is yes.
Yay! Like you, will you be my bridesmaid?
You already know the answer is yes.
I know. My mom was like, "What are you gonna do if Kat says no?" And I was like, "I know that they won't say no." Into the love, yay! They got video. You need some loving. I think you'd be surprised how much people can hear me actually. This is a good test for the wedding, because then, oh, they have those things that you spin on your finger. I'd be so good at that. Ooh, beanbags. Down here.
I got a good at least for a little.
You can have a little Colorado era and then move back when you want to have kids. Wow. I have to film these in 4K, Kat. My hip is messed up because I haven't worked out in 3 weeks. And I haven't been stretching before bed. And I went to Demi Lovato and I was like jumping a lot. Oh, she was fire, dude.
I'm so jealous of you guys. Oh,
Whoa, look at those. I must capture them in 4K. Oh, yeah. Whoa. That's really cool. Where? Oh yeah. These are good leaves. The other one was like different though. What do you guys think? Hi.
Hi.
Good. Oh, Virginia, the Virginia bird. Oh, I love birds. I've been really into birds lately, especially pigeons. They're so beautiful.
I wish Holly was here. Holly is also a big bird person, and she. My mulch decision. I know. Dude, I love this pottery though.
Yeah, and it's a vase, like a bunch of little vases. Oh, so cool.
Wait, Sergio would love it. Yeah, and the weather, that is supposedly getting better. I know, same. I was like, I'm umbrella. Incredible. Yeah. You are an incredible artist.
That is dope.
Look at the mushroom watering can. You see that? Oh my gosh, so fun.
Oh, you're in the right spot now with the rain coming.
Jinxed it. It'll go by quick, yeah. It's like, oh, it's done. It's getting prettier and prettier. We lied. We lied. Thank you for bringing this myself. I think forever and it would be soaking wet. Dude, I have a Sailor umbrella and it's not with me. All of my umbrellas were in Cameron's car. Tell me why. And Cameron never uses an umbrella. What I actually need to buy is a raincoat.
Yeah, I didn't have a rain jacket for the longest.
I know. It's one of those things that I feel like I need to buy for like at least these plants are probably loving it.
I know, they're like
rain.
so happy.
Yes, I need to actually capture those two white plants outside.
Yeah.
You can stand under here with me. Yeah. So have you picked your dress yet?
No, I'm gonna pick it this summer.
That's exciting.
I want it to be gigantic, I think.
Kind of like a ball gown.
Yeah.
I love it.
Real big old thing, like a quinceañera, but less shiny, less sparkly.
Less sparkle.
Yeah, less crazy sparkles.
More white, less sparkle.
Yeah. Honestly, I saw this movie with Zendaya, the drama.
Dude, was it good?
It was so good. It was so cute and sweet and romantic and like real and just freaking. I'm a romantic, you know.
Yeah.
It's like a drama, but it's also very funny. Like you're not gonna expect it to be as funny as it is and like as romantic as it is.
It's adorable, right?
Ah! Whoa, let's get some. I want to get some lemonade.
Oh my god. Finally. Even if it's not that far. Oh, you could barely walk. Yeah, the garage. I saw, yeah. I'm actually surprised it turned out because people are like, oh, nobody will really be there.
That's what we said.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, great. It's just gonna be us. Yeah. Yeah.
I could have used a beanie.
Yeah. You have a hat on though. That works. The mittens. No, we're not. We're just trying to get like ideas of what we want to do because we just finished.
This looks so cute, like a rom-com. You're like a rom-com wife right now. It's like, just like you're struggling. You're like a struggling like florist, and you're trying to like
What flowers
get it for the big day. Yeah. You're like, I always water everyone else's plants, but never my own.
I know. I'm like, what flowers bloom in New York City concrete? Huh?
Oh wow, look at those.
We really miss the stuff. But yeah, I miss the concrete jungle. I know, right?
Where would you put it?
Oh my god, little bonsai trees.
Except they literally just
Did we lose Meredith and her boyfriend?
Yeah, they were cooking way ahead of us.
Dang, left us in the dust. Oh, it's a honey. Cool roses. I like songs that sound like this.
More trouble than it was worth.
Yeah.
We lost someone.
Oh, glass grapes, so beautiful. Bees. I like bees.
Oh, wild berry honey.
Maybe we should get a sample. Hi, how are you? Yes, please.
We're keeping them undercover because it's cold out
Aww.
here. Hello.
Wow. Oh, they're working so hard.
They are busy as a bee. And there's capped honey over here. Down here, if you can see,
I see it.
it's a kind of glistening cell.
Yeah.
And that's the nectar that hasn't evaporated enough to become
Looks like
honey.
a bubble.
Yeah.
It's so shiny.
And then there's a few that are covered brood. That's covered with a impermeable cover so the larva can breathe.
Oh,
Whereas the
cool.
honey is capped with
Yeah.
wax, so it preserves the
Sealed,
honey.
yeah. That's so cool.
So the bees know. We call
So
it the creative genius of
cool.
dye.
That's so cool. Can I have a sample?
Yes, we have two samples. We
Okay.
have local honey, locally harvested honey, and store-bought. And it's a taste test.
Oh, so like
if you
see
can
which
tell the
one?
difference.
Oh no, I'm not gonna be able to tell. Can I try?
You can still try.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm capturing the beauty in 4K. Are those tulips? I like them.
I think they might be a type of tulip.
They're so pretty. Probably the most beautiful tulip ever. I like burnt out in general. And so